This is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC. From the home screen, select the media icon. For Bluetooth connection, select Bluetooth at the top of the screen. Next, press Add Device. Make sure your smartphone has Bluetooth turned on and is on Discovery mode. When ready, press Connect New Device. Select your phone once the vehicle has identified it. Finally, select Pair on your smartphone to complete the process. For USB-C connectivity, simply select USB in the media menu and plug in your smartphone. Once connected via Bluetooth or wired, you can toggle through your phone's music by using the touchpad, touch screen, touch controls on the steering wheel, or by using Hey Mercedes. Thank you for watching.